Ice maker pass, everything's functional.
75.
Our ice maker went out. I don't know what happened to it, but we have the technician fixing it, which is great. You know I like my ice. I'll be back. So when you buy a new refrigerator, it's not the same, you guys. You have to do like a maintenance check and all that good stuff.
Yeah, girl. It's hard because sometimes, you know, you be one of, like you said, you know, that's
So this is Coastal Scents Hot Pot. Yeah, and it's called Tuscany. And I'm also mixing it with S34, which is this one right here. A little bit darker. And my transition shade that I use, it's called Oktoberfest. So just placing this on my eye. I should have used a better, I don't know, my base. I don't like the way it looks because I can see my skin through it. So I should have put on a base, like, or maybe some thicker concealer. But it's okay. It is okie dokie. Okay, then we're gonna just blend on the outside. I don't like the way that looked though, because it's like over time, like I can see it, if you can see it right here, it's like disappearing. You see that? It's just Let me try to use some concealer. Okay, let's see if this concealer will let it adhere to this, because it's not working. So I have my beauty blender, and I've damped it a little bit. So I'm gonna go in while it's drying and just blend it in. And just blend out the edges so it won't look so crazy. Yeah, so like I was saying, I had purchased that vitamin C cream. I put it back in the bag. It's going back because it ain't do nothing for my eye. I still look the same. What y'all think? Tell me. Because it didn't do nothing for me, in my opinion. I don't care about the puffiness because I'll be wearing concealer and it kind of like takes the puffiness away. I'm talking about like when I want to go out with dark circles. Like say for instance if I wake up and I just want to wash my face, put on a toner and go. I wanted to do something for me and it's not. So I think we need to take that back because it was like what, 40 bucks? This is Kevin O'Clock. Why am I putting this on? I didn't even put the powder. This is banana bread. Okay, I love this powder. I'm so glad they had this color. Because it was like out of stock everywhere. Now we can put Kevin O'Clock on. This is Anastasia. We're gonna go in with her Blush Trio, and I'm gonna use these Nectarine and this darker color, which is this darker color Nectarine and Miami. Okay, then we're gonna do Whisper of Guilt. I love Huda Beauty. I think I'm in love with Huda Beauty products. So this is also Huda Beauty. Let me put this up. That's 2 swipes. You can see this. I'll do it another day. I'll show y'all. But I like this Huda. Now my battery is blinking. I don't think I like this pink lipstick. I'm gonna take it off. This was Snob. Let me see. Yeah, this was Snob. When you get older, why you gotta do this? Stupid. But I'm gonna use Morphe's Bite Me. This needs to be sharpened. Why my lip liners always need to be sharper? I don't use it that much. Okay, so this is Bite Me. And it's like a brown. Girl, I feel like I got a little peach fuzz. I don't like that. Bella Beauty, Target. Don't act like you don't know what I'm doing. Don't even act like you don't even have no peach fuzz on. And if you don't, get one, because you will have one when you get older. Okay. Our little secret. Yeah. Look at this. He wakes up. I am making a video.
You gonna take like the package?
Oh yeah, I'm glad you reminded me. And I gotta send my auntie out her glasses. Let's do this. Oh, this is giving a little bit. What y'all think? Mary, you gotta clean your room. What is this called? Mercury by Morphe. It's okay, but it seems like it's missing something, like some kind of beige. Oh, here goes something that's gonna pop it. And this is Flesh Pot. I heard they don't sell it anymore. Girl, I heard they don't sell it anymore at Mac. So that's all I got left. Okay, my battery's gonna die. I think this is a little bit better. Now I got errands to run. I gotta go to Kohl's, take something to the UPS store, and what else? Take take this cream back to Sephora because it ain't working for your girl. Let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to put a before and after picture up to see. Over time I've been using it, but it wasn't working. And this is my look. I need to put on some earrings. This company sent me some, sent me a purse. Remember that company? They still haven't even reached out. But they sent me some earrings by Gucci. And they still haven't reached out yet. And it's been, what, 3 weeks now? Girl, I guess they like whatever. So I'm going to put these earrings on. They cute too. They look like that. They ain't even reached out to you, girl. And this is how it looks on the ear. Real cute, right? But the other one on. Hopefully they'll respond. I can do a official unboxing type of what I think of it. So my camera blinking. But yeah, these are the earrings. They cute, aren't they? My new cute earrings from Gucci. Yeah, should I wear my hair like this or wear it down? Let's see. Wear it down. What y'all think? Then y'all won't be able to see my little earring. I don't know. Okay, let me go. All right, I'll see y'all. Peace.